Hello everyone and welcome back to Know How. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful and time-saving tool in Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a pivot table and use it to answer important business questions. So let's get started. Before creating a pivot table, let's first understand the dataset we will be using. Our dataset contains sales record with the following information that include date, region, salesperson, product, category, units sold, and the revenue. This type of data is commonly used in business to analyze sales performance and make decisions. Instead of calculating summarizes manually using formulas, we will use a pivot table to analyze this data quickly and efficiently. Now let's create our first pivot table. To create a pivot table, first we will click anywhere inside our dataset. Next, I will go to the Insert tab, and here I will click on this pivot table. Excel automatically detects the data range. Here we will choose the new worksheet so that the pivot table is created on separate sheet. And finally, I will click on this OK. And that's it. Our pivot table area is now ready. On the right side, you will see the pivot table fields pane containing all the columns for your dataset. At the bottom, there are four important areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. We will use these areas to build our report. Now let's create some practical examples. Which region generates the highest revenue? To answer this, drag the region field into the row area. And next I will drag the revenue to the value section. And there we have it. The pivot table instantly displays the total revenue generated by each region. Without writing a single formula, we can quickly compare sales performance across regions. And that's how easy it is to use pivot table in Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Know How, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest Excel tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.